What is going on, everybody, and good morning. Today we're going to be selling the E30 here, and I'm going to leave it up to you guys to guess what I traded for this thing. It's a combination of something or some things plus cash and how much. So you guys go guess down in the comments right now what the hell I'm trading for. I don't think I've really told anybody, so everybody guess, go for it. We got to pump up this tire this morning, and then the E30 will be on its way. So let's do that, get it going.
I've never had to put this much faith in a tiny little electric pump before, so fingers crossed it can get this tire all the way back from death, pretty much. You guys also might have noticed that Emmy's car is back primered. Long story short, we'll get to that in a video sometime soon, probably the next one, so keep an eye out. All right, we checking in. Ooh, the Goodwill ass pump is doing great. And I mean that for real, because my mom got it from Goodwill for me, so thank you, Mom. So good. Starting the day out with an energy drink for once, haven't in a minute. Thought I'd treat myself. So I guess we should make sure it starts, huh?
Imagine I go to start it right now, cold start, swear to God, and it doesn't start. Here we go. Buttery. Check it out. Also cold idle right at 900. Fitz, master BMW mechanic, Stockton, what's up? Dap you up, man. He's a fellow BMW mechanic, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, it starts up fine. Couldn't be happier. I'm excited, man. I'm excited for what's to come. I hope you guys are too. So fingers crossed, we'll see him in just a little bit.
Well, Ryan has arrived, and so has Mark in the rig to pick up the E30. Final moments before we say goodbye forever. So here is the rig. Oh my God, this thing is absolutely sweet. Mark's pulling the E30 out. And
all right, you guys ready to see what I'm about to trade for? You guys ready? Are you ready? Okay, I'm just kidding. You ready? I'm really gonna show you. Ready? Ooh, I'm not showing you. All right, are you guys ready? Here we go. 3-piece Meisters, perfect spec, 18 by 10.5. Literally couldn't be happier, because this is one of my dream wheels, other than the T7Rs, and I hit them up. I could not pass up this opportunity, so the word is out. Meisters plus cash for the E30. Fresh tires and recently built with gold hardware plus cash. So super excited to have a set of my dream wheels. It was either T7Rs or save up and get Meisters. So I saw these on his story, and kind of half jokingly I was like, okay, time out, what if I traded the E30 plus cash for the Meisters? So they hold air, they got a nice stretch, and we'll see what we'll put them on in the future. So what do you guys think? Good trade? Bad trade? Let me know down below. It's a done deal. I already signed the title, so I don't really care, but let me know. Yeah, please.
Little car. I'm gonna miss it, man. I'm gonna miss it. But I don't know if I've told y'all yet, but Mark 100% has all the skills to make this thing everything I wish it would have been.
That drainage hole smells fucking terrible. Yeah. It always has. Hey. Alright, straight up. Alright, hit the brake. Straps in your way. You're on the strap. I didn't realize how hot it was out here until I started moving some wheels around. And same for them, loading up the car. But oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss the car 100%. I'm really excited to see what Mark's gonna do with it. Definitely going to somebody with all the skills required to make this thing what I wish it was. But I will be able to finish the R32. The E30 will come out and have a great rest of its life, so I'm gonna miss it.
Yo, everybody say goodbye to the E30. Say goodbye to the E30. the rig, dude. Goodbye, goodbye, little car. All right, there it goes. Let's go look at these wheels. All right, dude, here they are. Super stoked to have a second set of my dream wheels. I saw these on his story. And I thought about, you know what? I'm gonna swipe up, see if he wants the E30, trade for some cash. I did end up letting him have the other wheels. He added some cash on top for those. I'm happy, he's happy. We're gonna call it a day, but shout out to Mark for coming down here and grabbing the E30 and trading for these wheels, dude. Let's clean these things up and see what we're looking at and see if we have to do any wet sanding, polish them, just to get them perfect while they're already off of a car. Honestly, most of the dirt on here, on these, should just be dust. And any of the remaining dirt or dust or contaminants in the metal will be taken care of by McGuire's polish, or Mother's polish, I mean. So we're gonna get these things looking right, and they already look absolutely gorgeous. Some of the barrels have touched the ground, like debeaded, but it's not going to be a worry. They're already sanded down, and I'm just excited to have another dream set of wheels, man. So happy. So got done with a nice little rinse, nice little wipe down, and the condition of the lips, you can see the mirror there of my hands, or maybe of you guys. The lips are in great condition, the faces are in great condition, and the barrels are in great condition as well. So I'm honestly not going to do anything to them. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So real quick, before I wrap up today's video, I want to talk about two things very fast. 3. 1, don't be afraid to be patient and let your car sit to make sure it's exactly how you want it. You don't have to be a perfectionist, just be patient with your car and it'll turn out better in the long run, period. Number 2, having these wheels and not having anything they can go on this second. Obviously I can put them on the 32, add a little bit of camber, but I want the T7Rs on that. I'm gonna need something else to build after the R32. I've been leaning towards a GS 300, 400, 430, I don't know, a GS. Or I might have the opportunity to buy a 240 hatch, good condition, SR, we'll see. And then the third, if you guys have any recommendations of other good cars I want it to be able to slide, good street car, and I want it to be white and match the 32, same style kit. So down the road plans for that. All right, so I was just chilling over here editing, and 1, the video is not long enough. 2, this was staring at me and my wheels were staring at me, so you already know it's about to go down. We're gonna get this thing in the air, get this wheel off, and see what a Workmeister looks like in the rear of the Skyline. I have a feeling they'll be too aggressive at the current camber and everything, but let's see, one way to find out.
Hello?
Hello?
Do you have a measuring tape?
Oh, let's see. Ooh, this is in the air, but that's pretty close, man. Let's tighten these Johnnies down and put it back on the wheel. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Ooh, dude, that could be gas. That could be very gas, actually. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, you're telling me I can fit wide wheels and go lower? You joking? Ooh, that is perfect, dude. And I just checked, it doesn't hit my lower control arm. These might be super extra really gas on this car, and I can't test the fronts until my rack gets back in, because that's just chilling and I don't want to mess anything up. But oh my god, look at this, dude. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. All right, that's definitely something to think about. That is where I'm gonna leave it for tonight's video. As always, go check out getmoonstruck.com and don't forget to subscribe. So, new wheels, Mark, Devin, Ryan, back here with a new video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Have a great night.